Mazda Connect, found in models like the Mazda 3 and CX-9, is the infotainment system that sometimes needs a reset to fix issues such as freezes, lag, or Bluetooth problems. There are two main types of resets. A soft reboot is a quick fix for minor glitches. Simply turn the car off, wait 30 seconds, then restart. A hard reset or factory reset is performed through the system's menu. Go to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. This erases all personal data and reverts the system to its original state. Knowing when to use each is important. Soft resets address temporary problems, while factory resets are best for software corruption or before selling the vehicle. Be aware that resets might require re-authenticating accounts. To perform a soft reboot, simply power off your Mazda, wait 30 seconds, and restart. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset on your Mazda Connect screen. Confirm the reset and wait for the system to reboot. If the screen is unresponsive, try holding the power and volume buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. If problems persist, Mazda's app or dealership tools can diagnose issues via the OBD2 port. Remember to back up your data before a factory reset. Also, ensure your Mazda Connect system is up to date via Wi-Fi to prevent future issues. For EV models like the MX-30, resets may affect battery management systems, so consult your manual.